15 psi, and we'll inspect the tire. I'm looking at a line that's going across the circumference of the tire. It's raised and making sure that it's equidistant all the way along. It looks like it's a little close over here. That'll probably push out as I continue inflating. And I'll check the other side. Just making sure that we don't have a bead that wants to burst off. And that oftentimes will damage the tire. Alright, it looks like the line is equidistant all the way across the perimeter. And no tube is poking out. Closing the valve. We can put the rear wheel back in. Lift up on the chain and set that on the smallest cog where we left off, and then remove the wheel. And align the rotor in between the pods. Place. Put your axle back in. Push that forward, that'll release the mechanical hold, and it's all repaired.